Hello, we are supposed to construct a pie graph for the following investment portfolio. So we do have five types of investment according to this portfolio. The first one is CD or certificate of deposit for $50,000. $100,000 goes to stocks, $80,000 goes to bonds, $480,000, which is highest number, goes to real estate, and $20,000 is going to regular savings. So the first thing that I need to find out here is what is the total amount of money that's being invested. In other words, what's 50,000 plus 100,000 plus 80,000 plus 480,000 plus 20,000. And so if we add that up, we get $730,000. So $730,000 is the total investment. So the next piece of information that I need to know what is the relative frequency of each statement. So the next column, I'm going to make that relative frequency. So for the first one, I have 50,000 divided by a total of 730,000. And for the second one, I have 100,000 divided by 730,000. For bonds, I have 80,000 divided by 730,000. For real estate, I have 480,000 divided by 730,000. And finally, 20,000 for regular savings divided by 730,000. Let me grab my calculator. So for the first number, 50,000 divided by 730,000, let's just go to two decimals. I'm getting, actually I could do a little bit more. So I have 50,000 divided by 730. So I get, let me change color, 0.68496849. Okay, rounded to 4 decimals. Now that's my relative frequency. If I multiply that by the 360 degrees in a circle, that gives me the portion of the circle that I have to shade for certificate of deposit. So I'm going to multiply this number 0.68493 on and on times 360. It gives me, and I'm going to round to the nearest degree. So I have 25 degrees. And I'm going to name this here degree. $100,000 divided by 730, and then this times 360 degrees. So this right here is my relative frequency. And I multiply that by 360 degrees, and it gave me 49 degrees. Then 80,000 divided by 730,000. So roughly 0.14 times 360, it is giving me 39 degrees. 480,000 divided by 730,000, which is 0.66 on and on, 0.66, and times 360 degrees, I get 237 degrees. And finally, 20,000 divided by 730,000, multiply that by 360 degrees. So here I'm getting roughly 0.027, and let's say multiply that by 360, gave me rounded up to nearest degree, 10 degrees. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to the next page and use this information to put my calculator away, to do my pie chart. So going to the next page. And here it is. I have this circular thing that is showing me all the degrees for a circle. Let me do. Okay. That's good enough. So let's say if this is, I'm starting from here, or let's say 0 degrees. So the first part of our portfolio, certificate of deposit, we said that we need 25 degrees. So it would be here, 25 degrees. The next part was stocks at 49 degrees. So if I add 25 and 49, then I get 74 degrees. The next part was bonds, 39 degrees, adding 39 to 47, I get 113 degrees. Okay, 113 degrees. After that, I had the big part of real estate, adding 237 degrees. It gives me total of 350 degrees. So I'm all the way to here. And the remaining 10 degrees belong to regular savings. The remaining 10 degrees belong to regular savings. So we said that, all right. So the first part, which was certificate of deposit or CD, and then the next part, 70, that was total of 49 degrees for the second part, and that was stocks. And I can here say CDs. And let me change color again, this time to another color. So for bonds, for this particular investment, the majority of the investment went to the real estate. Real estate. Okay, and the remainder 10% we said was for regular savings. Let's see, we can probably change that to a different color right here. Here is, I'm going to put just RS for regular savings. I'm running out of room. Okay. And as you can see, pie charts are a wonderful way of looking at it and deciding if you have a good balance in your portfolio. You can use pie charts for goodness, almost anything. How many hours you study, how many hours you work, how many hours you work out, how many hours you sleep. Um, you can also use that for your diet. You know, what percentage of vegetables you eat, what percentage of meat do you eat, what percentage of fruits, and on and on. Anyway, so that's how you do a pie chart. So let me go back to the previous page and so once again, we started the information given was type of CDs, type of investments, CDs, stocks, bonds, real estate, regular savings. We were given the amount. What we calculated were regular relative frequency, and we multiplied the relative frequency by 360. Every circle has 360 degrees, and that gave us the portion for that part of the portfolio. I hope you like this. All right, thanks.